Let's just fan ourselves a little bit. Tell ourselves some nice things.
We are beautiful. We are kind. We're doing a great job.
We're so smart. I'm going to show you how to do a no makeup look for acne just using 4 products. But before we get into it, I need to show you my credentials, just so you know. I know what I'm doing. Do you use primers?
I usually do, yeah.
Have you tried this guy?
No.
She is so good and sticky and everything you want in a primer. I like to use a brush whenever I'm applying on somebody, and then we're just gonna start in and work our way out. It's gonna act as the glue to your makeup. I know, like, when we have blemishes, we automatically think I need to put on so much makeup, but it really is less is more.
I definitely struggle with that, of wanting to just cover up everything so much that you add way too much of a product.
How does it feel on your face?
It feels refreshing. It's nice.
Right? Next, foundation. This one is not mattifying. She's radiant, very sheer. That sound is nice. Now using this foundation brush, we're gonna shear out this Charlotte Tilbury Moment. She's buildable and very lightweight, so she helps neutralize any redness and just adding that glow to the face. So we have a nice sheer base, and guess what? We're gonna actually play into your redness. It looks like natural blush. And then now comes the fun part. For any moments that we have like a little bit more that we want to conceal, this is the trick. You're gonna grab concealer, definitely something neutral tone, because again, we're trying to neutralize. I like this one from Sephora collection. I like the sound it makes. I like a little kiss. You want to have a little flat brush coated with a concealer. Just gonna do little dots. I know you want to think that you're gonna use your brush. You're gonna use your finger and it disappears. Like magic, like magic. Looks so good. Oh! Nobody saw that, right? Do you have a favorite concealer that you use?
I don't. I've tried so many and I can't really pinpoint which one I like.
For this one, it does a great job of building up wherever you need it to. Now your face just looks like fresh, dewy. What are we gonna do? Seal it in. She's super cute, cloud set. Do you ever use powder?
I do. I used to do competitive dance, so I would put powder in a lot, and that's something that I've just kind of kept up with.
We're not gonna use powder. We are gonna use setting spray though. We're keeping into the dewy glowiness.
It smells nice too.
It's lightweight also.
Yeah.
Do you wanna see how you look?
It just looks so clean and fresh. There is a natural blush, and it just has a very nice little rosy tint right here.
We just did Sophia's makeup using 4 products to cover her acne. How do you feel?
I feel so pretty right now. I really love it.
You look stunning, gorgeous, and smart.
Thank you.
Yay!